Jim with HD Pocket Doors. I get asked a lot, what sticks out in my mind, a job situation, one that had a lot of impact for HD Pocket Doors. There's a lot of them, but the one that really comes to my mind is a project that was brought to us from a company that built dental offices for children. If you're familiar with a dental office, there's usually a door and then a wall in between those doors where their equipment goes against. They wanted a pocket door coming into that wall. Well, there was a dimension of somewhere between 10 and 11 feet. So we had to figure out how to get two doors in a pocket in a 5.5-inch wall. So Mike and I got together. Finally, we came up with the idea that if they would agree to an 1 3/8 thick door, we could make that work. The doors have to offset in the pocket. They overlap each other. There's no way that they could butt into each other. There just wasn't enough room in the pocket. It was really interesting. We had room in our shop and we completely built a display with all this hardware in it. We bought two doors. We actually had the doors hanging in the pockets where they were sliding and working. On one side we would have an 1.5-inch post, and then next to it we'd have a 3/4 post so that the doors could slide. It was quite an accomplishment. And it was really at that time I realized there's no other door manufacturer that could do that. We can do things with our frame because we build each frame one at a time, and we can build it according to what they need. Every frame is a custom built frame. That's what sticks out in my mind. We've gone on to build so many different things. For instance, we've done round pocket doors. We have a frame that we can put a transom window above the door side of it. We've developed child gate, dog gate, whatever you want to call it, that slides without having a track on the floor. Our frame is just so adaptable. If you got a project like that, bring it to us. We'd love to help you out with it.